Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we'll be painting a few things in the engine bay just to clean it up a little bit. Let's get onto it. Just some more cleaning up of the engine bay. This rusty battery brackets gonna have to be repainted. How thick's the old paint on it? It just flakes off. Rusted underneath. Have to hit that. After sanding it, hit it with some rust treatment and paint it up, gloss back again. That'll just make the engine bay a bit neater. There we go, all sanded back, nice and smooth, ready for some primer. So the engine bay's starting to take shape. Clean up a few things. What else can we find? Alright, here we go. We'll take this off, it's a bit rusty, we'll take that off, clean it up. Bit of a lick of paint, put it back on. Clean that up while we're at it. Just hit them with a bit of a rust reformer and looking mint. Just hit it with a clear coat. That's looking shiny and fresh as new. Now, how much cleaner and better looking is that? And just finished reinstalling the freshly painted battery bracket. How much better does that look than what it looked like before? All rust and chipped. Starting to look a bit better. Next thing to do, I think the overflow reservoir. Thanks for watching another video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. How much better does that look though? Just those couple of things painted up. A few more things to go. Then the engine bay is almost done. Cheers guys, see you next time.